What's up, it's Roy here. So today I have a pretty awesome and unique, exciting case here from the company Casetify once again. So they were kind enough to send this out for review. They actually sent some iPhone 14 Pro cases that you can follow the card up above on if you want to watch that video. But this is focused on the iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you what's inside. So when you get this and lift this up, we have this awesome package here. Yeah, undo it, and look at that. This is their Dragonball Z Heroes case, so the Goku plus the Fighters case here. So if you're a Dragonball Z fan, then these are some really awesome cases. Been a big DBZ fan for years. And inside here as well, let's see what else they were kind enough to send. So we have this sling back with, let's see, black with black hardware. So, okay, that's cool. So we got a little sling action going on here if you want to, kind of rock it as a lanyard of some sort. And then let's push that to the side. And they also did send a tempered glass screen protector, which I'll actually do a separate video on this because I just installed a tempered glass, so I don't want to take that off quite yet. So, sorry for that background noise, but there is the case, guys. So, with these, this is their first ever Dragon Ball Z collaboration. They have a ton of different cases if you're a Dragon Ball Z fan, and other things other than cases. But looking at the packaging, it looks really cool, right? So you got Casetify there. You can see the picture of the phone case, and like I said, it does say Goku plus Fighters, Dragon Ball Z, and the little hologram there. And then on this side, it just says show your colors. And then on this side, show your colors. And then on the back, look at that. Got the really cool Shenron dragon there. And then, of course, Dragon Ball Z. So let's get this bad boy out. So you just slide this up, and that reveals the actual case. So I'm going to just kind of push this to the side and get this out. Like all the Casetify cases, you kind of have this little sticker here, which I'll just have to rip off. Pop this out. Get that out of the way. And there's the case. Pretty awesome. And I really like this type of case that's more of a harder shell. Casetify is really known for some of their gummy sides and everything, so I can appreciate a more traditional style case from them. But there is the back. Let's look at the interior real quick. So we have a harder polycarbonate shell in the inside here, but inside of the corners, we do have reinforced bumpers here that we can see that are going to help with drop protection, which you're going to get about 5 feet of drop protection with this, so pretty good. Obviously, you can see we have MagSafe magnets built in, so we'll test those here in just a minute. So let me go ahead and grab my 13 Pro. It's been getting neglected a little bit lately since I've been using the 14. And let's just pop it on. Super easy install. And there it is. So there is the case installed. And looks really good, guys. Like, I really, really like this case. So just looking at it, you got all this like holographic stuff going on here. So you got, let's see, we got Gohan, we got Vegeta, we got Goku, and then Krillin and Piccolo there. And like I said, it does say Goku plus Fighters, so it says Clash of the Superpowers. We got DB1 dash and then 4 zeros here with this little holographic Dragon Ball right there, which is kind of cool. So just really, really cool looking case here. And then just in true Casetify fashion, we have Casetify going around the actual camera bump there. And you can see that they are definitely protecting the lenses there. So the lenses are recessed in, very nice. So that way we're getting a good, confident back down type of experience. So there is the case. So now let's move around to the sides a little bit here. So the side has a matte black finish, has a little bit of a texture to it. It's not like super grippy by any means, but it is matte black. We do have a raised power button right here. And then here it does say that this case is made from 65% recycled materials. So if you care about that, that's pretty cool. And then we do have some nice little cutouts here for the lightning port and our speakers. And then we do got 2 holes here, which maybe that's for the lanyard thing. I'm not sure. And then here we do have our volume up and down buttons, as you can see here. And then a nice cutout for the alert slider. And then that's the look of the top. And you can kind of see how slim that camera bump is. So I really like that right there. And then looking at it from the front, we do have some nice lips around the screen. So we're going to get some screen protection out of it. Very slim borders, as you can see here. So really, really like the slim borders there. And it is tempered glass friendly because I do have a tempered glass screen protector installed. And then that's kind of the look of the speaker cutout up top. So it looks pretty nice. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick and see how shaky or not shaky it is. And face down, there is no shake. And then back down, I'm moving it. There is the tiniest shake right there. I mean, super tiny, if you can see it moving there. So it actually does a really good job. So if you're someone that cares about your phone shaking or not on a tabletop, it kind of does just a little bit. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test and see how responsive they are. So let's do the power button first. Okay, and volume up and down. Okay, so buttons are very tactile and clicky, so really, really like the responsiveness of them. They feel good, a nice clicky sound, so definitely 2 thumbs up there. And then let's go ahead and see how easy it is to get to that alert slider real quick. So as you can see there, as I'm doing this, you can see the silent mode going back and forth. So very, very easy to do, no issues at all. And then let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test. So we'll slap that on. And as you can see, MagSafe charging compatible, so no issues there with MagSafe. And I can tell that the magnets are very strong. Now I can definitely make it fall off. But I did play around with this case, even though I did package it as best as I could back in the original packaging. I did test it out with like my car accessory, and it did hold on strong enough to drive around. I drove around the block real quick just to see and hit like a couple potholes, and it didn't fall. So I feel like the magnets are going to be definitely strong enough to be able to withstand your vehicle if you like to use a MagSafe charger like that. And that's it. So all in all, guys, the case feels very good in the hand. It's very slim, very lightweight, has a little bit of a texture to the back because you can almost feel the characters like on certain spots, like right here in Goku's hair, I can feel it a little bit. And then like where Gohan is, I can feel that. So pretty cool. You can feel like the outline of it. But like I said, they do make more of these cases. They make like a Frieza one, different types of ones that are specific to Dragon Ball Z's main characters. So I will link them down in the description, or at least where you can go and check out all the Dragon Ball Z goodies. This case is like around like 60-ish bucks, so it's like a special edition type thing. But if you're a Dragon Ball Z fan, then you'll probably really, really want to add this to your collection. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.